Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to send view once photos on your messenger application inside the mobile phone. Now first of all I must tell you that if you're trying this process from the Facebook application, you won't be able to do it as Facebook does not allow this like the Facebook application. But you have the messenger application, you can do it. Just open your messenger inside your mobile phone, and once you open the messenger, just open the chat that you want to send the picture view once photo. And from this section, once you open the chat, just click on the photos icon just below the mic option. Just click on photos and make sure to select the photo or the picture that you want to send. Let's say I want to select this picture and send it to this person. So from this section, you can just click on the edit button, which is on the left side. You see two options, send and edit. So just click on edit option. And once you click on edit, so just on the left below corner, you can see these two options. One is HD and the second one is one time. So you can just click or turn it on, view once. Now, as you can see, like my photo has been set to view once. You can just turn it off or turn it on. That is your choice. And just click on the send button. Now, once you click on send, it will be sent view once photo on the messenger. Now you can send the videos as well from this section. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it.